On AU TechVerse, we're uncovering 20 new Amazon dust collection finds that quietly transform messy wood shops into cleaner, safer, professional workspaces. These aren't random accessories. Each one targets real dust problems woodworkers deal with daily, and every product shown has its Amazon link waiting in the description. If dust is slowing your work, hurting finishes, or filling your shop with cleanup stress, this list is one you don't want to miss. Oneida Air Systems Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator. Fine dust fills a shop faster than most woodworkers realize, especially when using sanders and table saws. The Oneida Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator is designed to capture the majority of dust and chips before they ever reach your shop vacuum. In real workshop use, it mounts to a standard 5-gallon bucket and spins debris out of the airflow, keeping filters from clogging quickly. This means stronger suction for longer sessions and less time spent cleaning filters. If you want a simple upgrade that dramatically improves dust control efficiency, this Cyclone earns its value immediately. DeWalt Dust Separator with 6-gallon tank. When your shop vacuum loses suction halfway through a job, dust collection becomes frustrating fast. The DeWalt Dust Separator with a 6-gallon tank is designed to sit between your tool and vacuum, capturing large debris before it reaches the filter. In real woodworking use, this helps maintain steady airflow during sanding, cutting, and rooting tasks. The larger tank reduces how often you need to empty it, which keeps work moving. By protecting your vacuum filter, it also helps extend its lifespan. If you want more consistent dust collection with less maintenance, this separator is a smart addition. Makita XCV11Z Cordless Dust Extractor. Working cord-free is convenient, but dust control often gets left behind without power nearby. The Makita XCV11Z Cordless Dust Extractor is designed to solve that by delivering effective dust extraction using Makita's battery platform. In real woodworking use, it's ideal for job site sanding, cutting, and small routing tasks where cords become obstacles. The HEPA filtration system helps capture fine dust particles, improving air quality in enclosed spaces. Its portable design makes it easy to move from tool to tool. If you want true mobility without sacrificing dust control, this extractor delivers practical freedom. Bosch 9-gallon HEPA Dust Extractor. VAC 090REH. Fine dust becomes a serious problem during sanding and cutting, especially in enclosed workshops. The Bosch 9-gallon HEPA Dust Extractor is designed to capture fine particles that standard Shop-Vacs often miss. In real woodworking use, it pairs well with sanders, track saws, and routers to keep airborne dust under control while you work. The automatic filter cleaning system helps maintain steady suction during longer sessions. Its large capacity reduces frequent emptying, which saves time. If you want cleaner air, better finishes, and more consistent extraction, this dust extractor delivers professional-level control. Shop-Vac W1826 Wall-Mounted Dust Collector. When floor space is limited, wall-mounted dust collection becomes a smart upgrade. The Shop-Vac W1826 Wall-Mounted Dust Collector is designed to pull dust and chips directly from stationary tools like table saws, jointers, and planers without taking up valuable shop space. In real woodworking shops, mounting it on the wall keeps hoses organized and improves airflow efficiency across the system. Its dedicated collection bag helps separate chips while maintaining steady suction. If you want a permanent dust solution that keeps the floor clear and the shop cleaner, this collector brings structure and efficiency to your setup. POWERTEC Wall Mount Dust Collector. As a wood shop grows, relying only on a Shop-Vac starts to feel limiting. The POWERTEC 1 HP Wall Mount Dust Collector is designed to handle larger volumes of dust from stationary machines like table saws, bandsaws, and planers. In real workshop use, mounting it on the wall saves floor space while allowing fixed ducting for better airflow control. The motor provides steady suction for continuous operation during long cutting sessions. If you're ready to move beyond basic dust control and want a more dedicated system, this collector delivers reliable performance for serious shop work. Rousseau Model 5000 Meter Saw Dust. Solution: meter saws are notorious for throwing dust everywhere, even in well-organized shops. The Rousseau Model 5000 Dust Solution is designed specifically to capture debris at the source during cross-cuts and angle cuts. In real woodworking use, it mounts behind the miter saw and funnels dust into a collection port, reducing the mess that usually spreads across the floor and walls. This improves visibility while cutting and shortens cleanup time significantly. If your miter saw is the messiest tool in your shop, this system offers a focused fix that actually works. WEN3410 3-speed remote-controlled air filtration system. Even with good tool-level dust collection, fine particles still hang in the air long after cutting stops. The WEN3410 air filtration system is designed to capture that airborne dust and continuously clean the shop air. In real woodworking shops, it's typically ceiling-mounted and runs during and after work sessions. The remote control allows easy speed adjustments and timer settings without climbing ladders. By filtering the air itself, it helps protect lungs and improves overall shop cleanliness. If you want cleaner air beyond just tool hookups, this system adds an important extra layer of protection. iVAC Pro Automated Dust Collector. Switch. Turning a dust collector on and off manually gets old fast, especially when you're moving between machines. The iVAC Pro Automated Dust Collector switch is designed to solve that by syncing your dust collector with your power tools. In real woodworking use, the collector starts automatically when a connected tool powers on and shuts off shortly after the tool stops. This keeps airflow consistent without interrupting your workflow. It's especially useful in small shops where efficiency matters. If you want dust collection that works in the background without extra steps, this switch makes your system feel smarter and more seamless. For flexible dust collection, hose. A dust collection system is only as effective as the hose connecting it to your tools. A 4-inch flexible dust collection hose is designed to move large volumes of dust and chips while allowing easy routing around machines. In real woodworking shops, this hose is commonly used to connect table saws, planers, or bandsaws to a central dust collector. The flexibility makes tool repositioning easier without disconnecting the system. Available in different lengths, it helps match your shop layout without excess slack. If you want smoother airflow and better reach between machines, this hose is a practical foundation piece. 212. Dust Collection. Hose Kit. Smaller tools often don't need full-size dust collection, and that's where a 212-inch hose kit becomes essential. This Shop-Vac size dust collection hose kit is designed to connect easily to sanders, routers, circular saws, and miter saw ports. In real woodworking use, it gives you better control over fine dust during detail work and sanding sessions where precision matters most. The included adapters help fit different tool ports without modification. Flexible routing keeps movement smooth while working. If you rely on a Shop-Vac for dust control, this hose kit makes your setup far more effective and adaptable. Assorted Dust Collection Fittings Kit. Once you start connecting more than one tool, dust collection quickly becomes a layout problem. An assorted dust collection fittings kit is designed to solve that by giving you the elbows, Y connectors, T-fittings, and couplers needed to route airflow properly. In real woodworking shops, these fittings help split lines, change directions, and adapt different hose sizes without leaks. Proper fittings improve airflow efficiency and reduce clog points in the system. Instead of forcing hoses to fit, everything connects cleanly and securely. If you want a dust setup that actually works as a system, this kit provides the flexibility your shop needs. 4. Blast Gates. When multiple machines share one dust collector, airflow control becomes critical. 4-inch blast gates are designed to open airflow only to the tool you're using, instead of wasting suction across the entire system. In real woodworking shops, installing blast gates near each machine dramatically improves dust pickup and reduces strain on the collector. Both metal and ABS options are commonly used depending on shop layout and budget. They're simple to install and make a noticeable difference immediately. If you want stronger suction where it matters most, blast gates turn an average dust system into an efficient one. 212. Blast gates. Smaller tools still benefit from controlled airflow, especially when connected to a single shop vacuum. 2.5-inch blast gates are designed specifically for Shop-Vac size hoses and ports. In real woodworking use, they allow you to direct suction only to the tool in use, improving dust capture during sanding, routing, or handheld cutting. This also helps prevent suction loss when multiple hoses are connected. Compact and easy to install, they fit well in tight setups. If you want better dust control from a Shop-Vac without upgrading the whole system, These blast gates offer an easy, effective improvement. Magnetic dust collection fittings. Some machines are hard to connect to fixed dust ports, and that's where magnetic dust collection fittings become incredibly useful. These fittings are designed to attach quickly to metal surfaces like bandsaws and drill presses without permanent mounting. In real woodworking use, they let you position dust pickup exactly where chips are produced, then remove it just as easily when switching tasks. The magnetic hold keeps the fitting stable during operation while still allowing quick adjustments. If you want flexible dust collection on machines that are usually awkward to connect, these fittings offer smart, tool-specific control. Table saw overarm. Dust collection. Hood. Table saws create dust from above and below the blade, and most basic setups only capture half of that mess. An overarm dust collection hood is designed to collect dust directly above the blade as the cut happens. In real woodworking use, it sits over the cutting area and connects to a dust collector or shop vacuum, catching fine dust that would otherwise blow toward your face and across the shop. This improves visibility while cutting and keeps the air noticeably cleaner. If you want better dust control right at the source, this hood adds a critical missing layer to table saw safety. Router fence dust collection port. Routers throw fine dust directly toward the operator, especially during edge profiling and groove cuts. A router fence dust collection port is designed to capture that debris right behind the bit as the cut happens. In real woodworking use, it mounts to a router fence and connects to a Shop-Vac or dust extractor, pulling chips and fine dust away before they spread. This keeps the cut line visible and reduces cleanup after routing sessions. It's a small upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in comfort and cleanliness. If you use a router often, this port improves both dust control and overall work quality. Floor sweep intake hood. No matter how good your dust collection is, chips always end up on the floor. A floor sweep intake hood is designed to solve that problem without dragging out a broom every time. In real woodworking shops, it connects directly to your dust collector and mounts at floor level, allowing you to sweep dust and shavings straight into the system. This keeps cleanup fast and reduces airborne dust from sweeping. It's especially useful near workbenches and table saws where debris builds up quickly. If you want quicker cleanup and a tidier shop with less effort, this intake hood adds everyday convenience. Drill press dust collection attachment. Drill presses may look clean while running, but fine chips and dust build up quickly around the bit and table. A drill press dust collection attachment is designed to capture debris right at the drilling point. In real woodworking use, it mounts near the bit and connects to a Shop-Vac or dust extractor, pulling chips away as holes are drilled. This keeps layout lines visible and reduces cleanup between operations. It's especially helpful when drilling multiple holes in hardwood or MDF. If you want a cleaner drill press area and better visibility while working, this attachment delivers simple, effective dust control. HEPA filter upgrade. Cartridge for Shop-Vac, Chartreuse, dust extractor. Standard Shop-Vac filters catch large debris, but fine dust is what actually causes the biggest problems in a wood shop. A HEPA filter upgrade cartridge is designed to trap extremely small particles that would normally pass through basic filters. In real woodworking use, upgrading to a HEPA filter noticeably improves air quality during sanding, cutting, and routing, especially when working with MDF or plywood. It also helps protect the vacuum motor by keeping fine dust out. If you want cleaner air and better overall dust control without replacing your entire system, this upgrade delivers immediate, practical improvement. If this video helped you see dust collection in a smarter way, hit like so more woodworkers can find it. Drop a comment and tell us which dust collection upgrade your shop needs the most right now. And for honest, practical woodworking tool breakdowns that actually improve your workspace, subscribe to TechVerse, because a cleaner shop leads to better builds every single time.